Hey, hi everyone. In the last video, we have covered how you can install Claude Code in your Windows laptop. In this video, we will see how you can use Claude Code without actually paying to Anthropic, right? So for that, we will be using Ollama. So let me take you to the Ollama website. So this is the Ollama website. I will give all the links in the description below. So in this website, okay, power OpenClaw with Ollama. We will cover this at some other video. Okay, for now, let's see how we can use Claude Code with Ollama. So we have to go to this models, and then you have to search for. So you can use a number of models actually. Nemotron by NVIDIA, Quen by Alibaba. A lot of them are available. So for now, for example, let's just go with Quen. Quen 3.5 is a very good model. Okay, so this embeddings is selected. That's why it's not coming. Yeah, make sure you are not selecting any of this highlights. You just click on this cloud and we are good to go. Or even you can unclick the cloud also. So this is Quen 3.5, right? If you see, we have a lot of cloud options. We have actually more than 122 billion options also. We'll see it. So I click this. If you scroll down, it will give you a list of models. So these models, if you see, this is the model and this is the size that it will take in your laptop if you want to run it locally in your VM, right? But we are not going to take that route. We are going to go the cloud route. So if you see, we have Quen 3.5 cloud and we have Quen 3.5 397 billion parameters cloud version. Okay, so this is the highest one. Let's just go with this. You just copy this. Okay, just make sure that you have Ollama installed in your laptop. If not, I will create a short video for installing Ollama as well. So now I am considering you have Ollama installed in your laptop. So you just open your command prompt, right? You just write Ollama run and paste. Okay. Once you press enter, it will not take much time even if you are doing it for the first time because it is not going to download it in your local. It is just gonna run, make the configuration so that it runs on the cloud itself. Okay. Now you can see I have already downloaded it and now it's asking me to send a message. If I can just say hi. So because this is a thinking model, it will take some time before it responds to you. So you see, it is thinking, analyzing the request, input, intent, greeting, tone, all these intermediate steps it is showing. Drafting options, option 1 it is giving you, hello, how can I help? Looks like it hanged in the middle. So to stop it, you can just do control C. If it doesn't work, you have to give slash by to come out of Ollama. So we'll try again, close the command prompt, open a fresh command prompt. We'll just do Ollama run and the model name, this one. Okay, let us go with this 122 billion parameters itself. So if you see, I'm doing it for the first time. So it will do a specific configurations. Okay. My bad. I have actually done this 122 billion normally, so it started downloading. I should actually go for this Quen 3.5 cloud version. Okay. So the configuration is done. You can just send hi. It's thinking. Because this is a thinking model, it has think through and it has given you an answer. Hi there, how can I help you today? Okay. Now coming to our main point, how can we run Claude Code using Ollama, right? So we will go back to this Ollama page, Quen 3.5 page, and if you see, we have several applications code here. Okay. So if you Claude Code, if you give this whole model, okay, whole code, it will try to download this latest version in your laptop and run it locally. Okay, but we don't want that. We want to use the cloud version, right? So for that, we'll copy only up to this Claude. So Ollama launch Claude, open a fresh terminal, just paste this command. Okay, so before that, you can go to your desired directory, right? So I want to go to documents slash, I don't think I have YouTube here. Okay, YouTube folder. Let's see what's inside this. We have all this. We will go inside the Claude Code folder. Okay, now here I'll just clear it. Now here you can run that command. Ollama launch Claude. Okay, press enter. Now if you see, it is giving you the options. So I have a few cloud hosted options and I have a few that is downloaded in my laptop. Okay, so these three things I have in my laptop downloaded. Okay, but let's just go with this Quent 3.5 cloud. Okay, so if you see the pointer here, it is highlighted. You just click on enter and Claude Code is here. Now you can ask Claude Code to do anything. Hi, how are you? See, now we are able to use Claude Code without paying a penny to Anthropic. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming videos, we might try to explore what we can do using Claude Code, and we may also take other route and explore OpenClaw. Okay, comment down below which one you are interested in. I will go that route. Thank you, everyone.